Sirius, also known as the Dog Star because it is part of the constellation Canis Major, means the greater dog, in Latin. Sirius is the brightest star in Earth's night sky. The name Sirius means glowing, in Greek. Because of its high luminosity, relative to other stars, and it is also because, relatively, it is close to Earth, which is 8.6 light-years away. Sirius is highly visible in the northern hemisphere's winter night sky. Use the belt of Orion as the pointer to find Sirius. The belts of Orion 3 stars points downward, Sirius to the left. The position of Sirius is 6 hours 45 minutes 8.9 seconds of right ascension and 16 degrees 42 minutes 58 seconds of declination, to be more precise. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.